Good morning, everybody, and today we're gonna make a super cool Minecraft cake. So first, you're gonna have to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then, you're gonna have to boil some water. Then you gotta prepare your pan. So, thank you. And you can put your finger in the middle of it. Take a bit of greasing. What? Shortening, and grease it all over your pan. Okay, then you can take some flour and put a bit on the pan. And then we have our thing. And all the extra you can put back into your bowl. Whoops. That did not go out well. There. Now, that's the oven. And then when you're done with that, you can put in the mixer 2 sticks of butter, 3 cups of brown sugar, and mix it and have it mix until it's like light and fluffy. So I'm gonna do that real quick. We got our brown sugar. And this is what it looks like when it's all light and fluffy and it's all ready and mixed up. So after that's done, you add 4 eggs one at a time. So like you add 1 egg, crack it, put it in, let it mix for a bit. Just do it. Oh, so you can crack it, then put it in. You add one, and then you just have it mixed for a bit. Then once it's all mixed up with the egg, you can just keep adding them, and once all 4 are in there, you have it mixed for a bit longer. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We're gonna add in. Oh wait, where can I put it in? Okay, we'll just put it in here. We'll add the vanilla. Okay. Then I'll mix for a bit longer. That tastes good. Now in a different bowl, we're gonna whisk together 2 2/3 of a cup of flour, 3/4 of a cup of baking cocoa, 3 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1/2 a teaspoon of salt. So we're gonna add all this stuff in. This one, baking soda. And then we need the baking cocoa. Wait. Okay. And then we need the flour. In there. Okay. And then we're gonna whisk it together. So then we're gonna add some wet ingredients and 1/3 of a cup of sour cream, alternately mixing. So we're just gonna take a little bit of the wet ingredients. And this is how it looks like when it's all mixed up. And then the next step is add 1/3 of a cup of the boiling water and mix till it's blended. This looks like literally swamp water. So while she's doing that, we're gonna put the mix in the 3 pans. Well, we don't have 3 pans, we only have 2. So we're gonna put it in the 2 pans, and we're gonna then we're gonna grease the pan that's already been all mixed up, and we're gonna clean it. And we're gonna put the mix in the 2 pans and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. So basically like 30 minutes or so. So then we're gonna make we're making our buttercream now, and so now we'll take 4 sticks of butter. Hey, this is slippery. 1. Here. Oh, when this mixer is going, we're gonna do a dance. Wait, Mom? Okay. So now I'm gonna lift this up, get all that butter off of the mixer. So now the next step is add the 6 cups of powdered sugar. Slow at first, Slow at first, then faster as it comes together. Now it's done. Oh, wait. Oh, then we gotta add 5 tablespoons of heavy cream. And then 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Then 2 pinches of salt. Then we're gonna mix it all up. Okay, now we're done. So baking the cakes was pretty hard. We weren't able to get them out. We had to bake it for a bit. One of the cakes we had to bake for a bit longer, but we got our icing made. And so now it's time to decorate it and ice the cake and put the fondant on. that we have our cake all iced up and all this, now it's time for the fun. We already got it all rolled out. Now that we have the fun and on the cake, it's time for the best part, decorating your cake. So let's get started.
Awesome!
Our Minecraft cake is done! We got a zombie up at the top over here. We got a zombie, creeper, and a Minecraft character. I just decorate it by random shapes. You can decorate it however you want. You can write Minecraft at the top. And I also wrote my name on the side. And it's horrible. I did not do a good job. I did not. And Minecraft cake done. Bye-bye.